When you want to make a woman pour during knacking, there are 5 places you should concentrate on. And this should not steal the joy you're going to have. That you're supposed to enjoy there, okay? The pleasure and everything. Because when you concentrate entirely only on making her pour, it can steal your everything that you should enjoy there. So that should not be the bone of contention. But you should actually do these things I'm going to be talking about. These are places, 5 places that will help a woman enjoy the whole thing to the extent that she will even pour. That's the level of sensitivity of these places I'm talking about. Number one is the particular part in a woman's body where you guys like ignore. A lot of people think that the honey pot entirely doesn't make a woman enjoy the whole thing. Now, let me tell you guys that you see those ridges in a woman's honey pot. You know that her honey pot is not smooth, it has rough endings, okay? It's not smooth, it's rough. And those roughness you see inside there is actually blood, and it is actually blood vessels, it's actually nerves that connects to her system entirely. So when she's enjoying it, those places will swallow and it will help her to enjoy the whole thing, and including you yourself as the man. So that's another place that you guys forget. So don't ignore this part and said, okay, because she doesn't enjoy the whole penny, because she doesn't enjoy penetration, you think, oh, I don't need to go there, or I don't even need to put any interest or seriousness in doing it. No, do it perfectly well. When you do it perfectly, like when you are going in and out, you also have your hands doing the job, or you're saying something, when you do it well, a woman will enjoy the whole situation that she can pour through those, yes, because of those endings that are receiving signals from how she is feeling. It can help a woman enjoy the whole thing. That's number one, her honey pot. Okay, so don't ignore that. Now, the second one is the end of her honey pot. That's very much close to the womb of a woman. Okay, yes, because after the ending of the honey pot, you get to the mouth of the womb. Okay, now this is another place that's very sensitive, but you have to be very careful because it doesn't work for all women. Okay, now it's not all women that will enjoy this particular one, because sometimes some women that have issues in there, like the end of that honey pot that leads to the womb of a woman, it can actually be sensitive. Yes, because some women have a kind of inflammation issues there, which I don't want to go into, right? But if a woman has issues at the end of that area, it can actually result to a pain when you are trying to get more deeper. That's why some women, when you're getting too deeper, it gets worse, it gets painful, or because our honey pot is not that, okay, the length of it. So because it's not lengthy that much, and you have a very joystick that's very long, and it can actually affect her and give her pain. That's why this particular place, many people don't understand that it's very sensitive. It had get a woman to enjoy the whole thing you guys are doing. Yes, that particular place is very sensitive. But if you know how to do it well and study how she's receiving it, to know how she's reacting, you know that you can actually use the joystick to get her enjoy that particular place, and she can even go gaga to get to a point where she will pour. Now the next one is the A spot. Okay, you guys, this particular one is another. If I would I say it's complicated, but it's not. Okay, but most times a woman will enjoy that particular spot when you do it well. And when you're doing it with your joystick, most times you might not get to that A spot because it's up, but it's like it's inside, but then up. Okay, in woman's body is up, but it's inside. Not like the G spot, which is the next one I'm going to be talking about, but the A spot is far than the G spot. You can actually stimulate that area to get her to enjoy it, but you have to be very like it will be kind of, you are now thinking about it so badly, but sometimes you might even get to stimulate that area without knowing it, okay, without being aware of it, right? So you are actually stimulating that area. So at this point, if you haven't hit that like button, please hit this opportunity to hit the like button for me. It won't cost you anything, but it's so important for me. Thank you so much. It's another part that's very sensitive, but you shouldn't concentrate on I'm trying to get the A spot, and you will actually steal the whole thing you are doing. You are steal the joy, the pleasure you're supposed to enjoy there. So that's another part. But if you're using your hands, that's when you can actually get to it very much. Okay, let's say you want to stimulate her body with your hands. That's another time you can actually get to that place very well. But when it comes to your joystick, you can do it unintentionally. You don't need to focus on I want to get the airport spot, because when you're doing your job well, locating every area, like every angle of her honeypot, you would definitely get her to enjoy it and even stimulate that area. Okay, now the next one is her G spot, which is a little bit like just after the opening of the honey spot. It just, let's say from here to here, depending on the length of her honeypot, right? So it's not far from there, but it's up also. Okay, this one is very much up. If you can be able that now, this one, I don't think you can actually stimulate this area with your joystick. It's also possible depending on how you stimulate it, right? But mostly it can work when you are using your, yes, okay, it will work perfectly well because that place is very closer, okay, and it's up, right? It's located up, so you will get to watch her while you are doing this, okay, to help to know when you are getting the spot, okay, to know when you are getting the spot because it's not far from the mouth of the honey spot. Now this is another one. Now the last one I'll talk about is the cleat. You see the cleats is another one that you guys should not look down on, but focusing on only this cleat to make her enjoy the whole thing will steal your own joy. Why did I say that? Because if you are going to focus on touching only the cleat to get her there, then she might actually get done and doesn't want to do it more, especially when she's not intentional, okay. So but if you can be doing the whole thing, like the whole in and out, you know what I'm talking about, with your joystick, and then you go ahead to stimulate the crate through your body all together, okay, you are actually stimulating and caressing the clicks while you are still on the job with your joystick. Now with this, you can be able to get her to enjoy the whole thing. That's the thing. Now another way is also with your hand, but you've seen the disadvantage of doing this. You can do it, but if she's intentional and she's there 100% with you, she would also get you to enjoy your own part, right? So you can use your hands, you can also use your joystick, but now it's not directly with your joystick. It's actually when you're with your joystick, you are doing the job with your joystick, but your body, okay, around your pelvic region is actually simulating the clit. That's another way you can get her to enjoy this part. Now these are parts of a woman's body when it comes to knacking that will get her to even pour when you do it perfectly well. Now doing it perfectly well is when you have a good relationship with your partner, okay. You are not going to be in a very rough relationship with your partner and you think that he will actually be there in full. No, okay, so you guys should work out whatever that's bothering you guys so that your intimacy will be perfect. You will enjoy it, she will enjoy it, okay. Now another thing is to make sure that your hands or your voice, okay, your sounds and all that are doing the job to help her to get to that. Powerful one. Another powerful one is to make sure that you do your foreplay well. These are a few things that will help you to get her to even pour. That's the thing, okay? It's not that hard, but don't focus on it and say, I want to get her pouring, because every system is different, okay? Every woman receive all the signals differently. So watch and study before you know it, you guys are really sure of what works and what doesn't, okay. So that's how it works, okay. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below, okay. Let me know what you think in the comment. Did you enjoy the video? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and please hit that like button for me. See you guys in my next video. Subscribe for more videos, and all my returning subscribers, I'm so glad to have you. I'm always proud of you guys. Thank you so much.